Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video is gonna be like a walk with me video. I have a lot of orders and I am like slammed. I'm not kidding. It is just too much. I unfortunately I wasn't able to post a video for you guys last week, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to do something real quick so I can show you guys what I've been up to, like processing orders for my Etsy store. And that's what I've been up to. So I am gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm using. So I already printed this out of my from my HP inkjet printer, if I can think and speak. I'm so exhausted. I don't know if you guys can see from my face. I'm just trying to keep on going because this sales has been really crazy. I'm grateful to God. I'm not complaining, but man, oh man, growth is not easy. So when you pray for growth, make sure you're ready for it, because I wasn't ready. I didn't know what to expect with this growth. So now I'm thinking about quitting my full-time job and also hiring somebody. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but anyways, so the transfer I'm gonna be using is the NUFUN. You guys know I always use this, but this one is for the lights fabric. I have that for the dark and light. So for the dark, I have this design that I did. Let me show you guys. This design that I did for the dark. And for the lights, I have a lot of designs here, which I'm going to be showing you guys. So unfortunately I did not show you guys my process on my Cricut machine. I will be doing that soon with you guys. I know and look at the other one over there. So excuse my mess in this office. I can't help it. So anyways, so for NUFUN transfer for the lights, you guys already know from my last video, it is 375 Fahrenheit and for 25 seconds. And you pre-press this before you press. Of course, you use your lint roller to take out the lint, and you pre-press it for 5 seconds just to take out any moisture, and also just to take out any wrinkles. And then you go ahead and press it, and it is a hot peel. So we're gonna demonstrate that so you guys can see exactly the instruction that's given. So I already pre-pressed it, and I already took out the length and I pre-pressed it. So now I'm just gonna press it. And I have a 6 to 12 months old onesie, so I'm gonna go ahead and press it because the heat press is ready. So you can use, I was gonna actually put in this here, but I forgot. But I have the parchment paper that came with the black, transfer paper. So that's what I have. So according to what it says peel immediately for best results. So we're gonna peel immediately. And this transfer paper, I love it so much because all of the ink just, you can see, you can't find any ink here. Everything is out, so you don't miss no ink. So everything is deposited in the shirts. So I'm gonna go ahead and press some more. I already prepped. Oopsie. So I got my little hanger here that I'm gonna be hanging all of them. While I press, I'm gonna hang them so I can put them away. I had to go get me a hanger, this standing hanger, so that because I got a lot of sweatshirt orders. So I'm trying to get that. That's what I'm trying to talk about. So I'm trying to get myself organized. Like, it's not been easy. So this one, they are actually this is for 1 year old as well, and it's for 6 to 12 months old baby. So I'm just gonna take out the lint from it. And this was what I did for the first one. So this is just the normal procedure. You want to make sure you take out the lint, make sure you take your time and take out the lint, because you don't want it on the design. I have had a situation where the lint was on the design, it wasn't looking good. So I usually use the infant. I gotta look for, I don't have room in this office at all. So, oh Lord Jesus, I'm gonna use the infant neck measurement. I always like to use neck measurements because in the past, I'll make sure there's no dust on it. In the past, I had when I just started this business, I pressed like a lot of shirts, and my design is all the way to the neck, and it seemed like when I see it on my mother-in-law and my mom, it just seemed like the shirt is choking them. So I'm like, oh, this is my first, and I get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this. So I'm not gonna be talking through this whole video so that it's not getting boring. So I'm just going to show you guys one or two, and you guys are just gonna watch me work. So I already have some of the tutus made. For this, I just need to make the shirt. So now I am gonna go ahead. I want to make sure you guys can see me and also see this process. So it's a hot peel and peel immediately as fast as possible, and you can see there's no ink at all, so that's a good thing. So 2 out of how many I got, I don't know. This on this table I have 4, on that table I have 4, so 8 out of 10. 2 is out. Yay. So I'm just gonna be hanging, and let me grab. So this one here, they only bought a shirt. So what I usually do, when you buy just shirts without the tutu, I give a regular t-shirt, because I only give the fancy shirt to those that bought the tutus, so that that way I don't run out of my fancy shirt. Because this regular shirt I can go to a store and pick it up, but the fancy shirt I will have to place an order, and that is no fun. So I don't intend giving the fancy shirts to those that just want it, just want the shirt. So we leave that for 5 seconds. And this is a 2T, so I'm not gonna use an infant, I'm gonna use a toddler neck measurement. And I know you guys had requests on showing you guys how to use Cricut, because you just bought the Cricut machine. I promise I can see all your requests. I have just been so freaking busy, and Mother's Day has been so busy for me as well. Mother's Day orders have been like crazy, so I am trying as much as I can to get all these orders out. I just literally came back from the post office, and I just mailed out 28 packages, and they were all sweatshirts for Mother's Day. So all right, this is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So I just love this transfer paper. I ordered for more because that's all I use right now. cleaning my head so you guys can see the top of my head, because this is cutting my head. I'm trying to make sure you guys see this and see my face as well, so that's a challenge. So I'm gonna go ahead and see the way I took it out so fast. So let me show you this one. You see that? So this is the fancy shirt I'm talking about. They of course are not cheap, but it's not about the amount. I'm not focusing on the amount right now. What I'm referring to is that I cannot be ordering few quantity. I'll have to pay for shipping if I have to buy 1 or 2. So that's the reason why I prefer going the routes that I decided to go. So this one that I'm working on is actually for pre-K grad baby. So so this one does not come with the age on the shirts. It's just the name at the bottom. I'm gonna show it to you guys so you guys can see. It's so pretty. Woo. As you guys can tell, this design is a lot of people's favorite, greatest corner. So you can see the design, pre-K grad, and her name at the bottom. So yeah. Oh, I'm so hungry and I can smell food. Oh, my husband making something. Ooh. Alrighty, I got 2 more to go. Too hot, so that is it. So so this heat, the heck is this? So I have come to the end of this. You guys seen one of my best seller is this shirt and the tutu to go with. I'll have to show you guys how the tutu look like, and people really love it. Like obviously you can see this is all on present. So I have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I still have, okay, so I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I still have more shirts to press, but they are different design. So I just decided to do this Grace's Corner design out of the way. So let me show you the 2 designs that I have on Grace's Corner, so you guys see that. So this is the rainbow, and this is a cupcake tutu set. This is a, of course you know what theme this is, Grace's Corner, but the colors that I'm talking about, this is the rainbow in my store, and this is the, what they call it now, the cupcake colors. So it's so pretty. I love this cupcake better, but everybody have their preferences. But I realized last week I had a lot of this shipped out. This week I have a lot of this that I'm gonna ship out, so it just varies. Some people love the rainbows more than the cupcake colors, so, but I love the cupcake colors more. It's just like a soothing color to me. Alrighty, so you guys see how beautiful this transfer paper is. Like, the transfer paper is really good, and that's what I'm using right now for my business, as you guys can tell, and I love it so much. And this one is for the dark, and you can see how beautiful the transfer paper came out for the dark. And I'm gonna be posting a video on this one very soon, but I'm just telling you that transfer paper is the bomb. But my only worries is when you stretch it for the white one, it kind of breaks. I haven't stretched the dark yet because I haven't had a need to do that. When I started with the white, and I wanted to do a stretch test, and I was like, I just saw the line, it just broke. But anyways guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope this video was beneficial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.